I'm like, I am not succeeding in buying the
मुझे पता ही
ticket.
नहीं था ये Coldplay है.
Oh God.
मुझे लगा वो
And
yellow.
इन लोगों को जाना है टिकट लेने.
नहीं bro, मुझे नहीं जाना.
Chris Brown.
with their security chains, they're like, oh no,
हटो, guest आ रहे.
Guest कौन है? नमक शमक.
यार, I love him, यार, don't
I
do
love
that.
him.
I
Old
love
man.
him.
Like they touch you on your crotch.
Everywhere.
What the fuck?
They are like, oh, you have this, oh, you have that, you have that. I'm like, that's my band. I can't help it. Jockey देखना है तेरे को, तू देख.
The only complaint my parents had when I was doing fest is like, तुमको पैसे मिल रहे हैं क्या?
Exactly.
तुमको पैसा दे रहा है क्या कॉलेज?
Unpaid internship.
Exactly.
Bro, I chose a career जिसमें ना मेरी डिग्री काम आई ना वो फेस्ट काम आया.
exactly. It's only people outside that circle who are like, bro, तू पागल है क्या? What the fuck
Your
are you
parents.
doing? Like,
Bro, once I went for a fest, Mr. and Miss. I placed second, I guess, no fest में. I got red heels.
Oh, I know which one.
What am I supposed to do with those heels? Who is wearing those heels?
Hi, I'm Zia.
Hi, I'm Dhritika.
I'm Sanjana.
And I'm clearly not Shrishti.
And we
are Besharam.
Besharam.
Today we have a Besharam guest with us, Vidur
Let's
Dhar
go.
himself. This is Vidur. Follow Vidur Dhar on Instagram. And yeah, he's here because he's my friend and
Yes.
he's obligated to be here.
Yes.
And also the conversation we are going to have today, we have all been part of it.
Yes,
Yes.
we've all been
And
victims of it.
And
Victims is the correct word.
it is. And we have had so much trauma in our lives
Yes.
because of it. That's why I'm here.
Unnecessary fucking trauma aged me.
Unnecessary.
Aged me.
It's a kind of trauma that no one outside Bombay would know, and no one apart from the age groups of 17 to 21
21
know.
21 would
They
know.
don't know.
And unnecessary. Like,
It's not, yeah.
I mean, even 1 year is enough for like 3 years of work.
It's
trauma.
like-
Yeah, bro, it's
1
those
year is
few
enough.
weeks, months which like traumatize you for life.
The
Yeah, I
students
agree.
of Bombay saw High School Musical and they were like, we need conflict in our life. So
We'll recreate it but make it worse.
so much worse.
and it's been 2 years since I've left college now, almost.
Oh, we didn't tell them what we're talking about.
Oh my god, yes.
Oh, yeah.
do you want to give them context?
Yeah.
So we are talking about college fests today.
Dum
And-
dum
Dum, dum, dum. And yes, it's a horror show today.
Yes.
It's the horror episode. Sorry, Srishti, we did it without you.
Because it's been 2 years since I've left college and I'm still taking therapy because of it.
Whoa.
And I have lost my career because of it.
Yes, you did.
I've
I didn't think we were bringing that up.
Yeah, but now that we did,
Do you want to like start off with telling us what exactly
it's
happened and like what is up and where you are right now?
actually we should start with what's a college fest for people.
Oh,
who
yeah,
are
yeah,
not
let's do that.
watching.
Let's
Yeah,
do
who
that.
are not from
I
Bombay.
guess
I
if
agree.
you're from Delhi,
Side eye first of all.
side eye. But yeah, if you're from anywhere that's not Bombay and you don't understand the culture behind college fests, especially in Bombay,
Yes.
हर जगह होता है. यहाँ पर थोड़ा it's little closer to our heart. I feel
Closer to
Is
her, and
it?
it's said it's done at a very very grand scale for no reason.
for no reason.
Like
Yeah.
why?
Bro, the only complaint my parents had when I was doing fest is like, तुमको पैसे मिल रहे हैं क्या?
Exactly.
तुमको पैसा दे रहा है क्या कॉलेज?
Unpaid internship.
Exactly.
It's a full-time job. It's
It's a
not
full-time
an
job.
internship.
Yeah, fair enough.
Full-time job.
It is a
Fair enough.
full-time
Internship,
job.
nah, full-time job.
So what
Yeah.
these colleges do, there's certain colleges in Bombay, Mumbai for
Mumbai.
people that are not
Mumbai,
from
yeah.
Bombay.
Oh my God.
It's Mumbai, Didi,
Mumbai.
not Bombay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Sorry, uncle. So there is certain colleges. They're the typical South Bombay colleges. Your Jai Hinds, your HR, the KCs of the world. Sorry for the chuckle. Vidur, what are you trying to imply, huh?
Nothing,
I
yeah.
to love my college.
Even I love my
I love
college.
my college. Everyone, all
Your
teachers.
college and my college was different, not gonna lie. Because we were far apart from each other.
We were in different campuses in the same college.
Same college.
You don't call it a campus, honey. Sorry.
It's a
Building.
building. It's a building. It's a building. Anyway, so
Which is perpetually under construction.
No, they
It
fixed
is-
a lot of
It
it
still
now.
is. I'm pretty
No,
sure
that's
it
what I'm
still
saying.
is.
It's perpetually under construction.
I saw
Our
the
building.
washrooms. They have mirrors now. So
Yes, which are clean.
Development.
You can
Yeah,
see
yeah.
it.
That
It's-
is a step up.
It doesn't
It
stink.
always happens, 10th standard में I left my school and पूरा renovate हो गया.
सबका
Oh,
यही
it's-
है.
it's a universal
12th में
experience.
I
But
left,
like,
renovate हो गया.
My school, I think, went to shit after our batch left, so I'm glad.
Fair enough.
I'm glad.
Fair enough.
So all of these colleges that are naam bade aur darshan chote, as a lot of older people would put it,
Yeah.
they have this thing of having a cultural committee, which actually cultural stands is like the long form of cult.
Yeah.
It's a cult, okay?
a cult.
And they will make you feel like the people that are higher up in this. In these positions will make you feel like it is something that you need to long. They will tell you shit like, bro, 5,000 students है यहाँ पर.
नहीं,
और
नहीं,
सब
नहीं,
footfall.
नहीं,
like,
नहीं,
you
नहीं,
get
नहीं,
50,000
This is gonna
footfall.
be the
No.
best years
Years
of your
life.
life.
That is
Yeah.
not what I'm
You
talking
cherish
about.
these moments.
That's not what I'm talking about. I'm talking like some people will be like your HOD say will be like
Head of department.
Yeah, head of department will say,
We need to specify.
hey, bro, you know how many people interviewed for this position.
Yeah,
You're here for a reason.
Yeah.
And then you think that, damn, yes, it is a cult.
That
Because
was me
guess
too.
what? Yeah.
I'm like a chosen one.
No, he's ruined 1 year of my life and he ruined his career.
Years of my life was also gone.
He asked me to be his HOD and
Yeah.
then he didn't work.
Yeah, bro, I realized. Let's not go there just yet.
Anyway, yeah.
Let's not spill the tea.
So, these 15, 16, sorry, 15, 17, 18, 19-year-olds, they all come together and they decide कि मेरे कॉलेज का फेस्ट बेस्ट है.
Best,
Yes.
yeah, like,
उनका कॉलेज चाहे
Yeah,
कहीं पे भी
yeah.
हो.
चाहे चौदार से राइम होता हो, उनको लगता है वो
माटूंगा.
बेस्ट है. ठीक है. और मतलब दे आर सच ऑन सच अ हाई हॉर्स. ये प्रैक्टिस करेंगे दिन भर. ये ऐसे लिस्टें बनाएंगे, बजटें बनाएंगे और क्या उनको सब चाहिए. क्योंकि एक ट्रॉफी मिलने वाली है उनको.
And वो कॉलेज को जाएगी.
Exactly. वो college को जाएगी.
And when you are entering a college fest, they are like, oh, we have these many gifts. We
Yeah,
have
yeah.
these
Cash prizes.
Bro, once I went for a fest, Mr. and Miss. I placed second, I guess, वो fest में. I got red heels.
Oh, I know which one.
What am I supposed to do with those heels? Who is wearing those heels?
Yeah, he got red heels. He got Mr. का prize red heels.
Yeah, and I was like, I understand ki you
Yeah.
want to bring in a culture, you want
Yeah,
to
yeah.
It
involve
was a
everybody.
sponsor Vidur.
I don't care.
But at least make it make sense.
Yeah,
Think
bro,
before you
I
do
got,
that.
I got a medium one-piece skirt.
Shut up.
And my sister is wearing it now, and it's not even her size. And she's small.
Wouldn't you be pressed if you got a box of razors? Like
I would use the razors.
Yeah,
I mean,
she can at least use the razors. What will I do with the pencil toe heels? Red color will be
No,
chamkila.
the way that Sanjana really thought of, like, what is something that men use?
yeah, women can't use it.
Razors.
Shit, I forgot.
Urinal.
What if you got a urinal?
Still convenient.
Still
Yeah, you
convenient.
can just sit it down and then you can do
Yeah.
Your
mandi maar ke.
Mandi maar ke, bro.
do it with
Oh,
Okay, sure, sure.
Yeah.
Marathi na? Mandi?
I don't
Yeah, so that is basically how college fests work.
Yeah.
और ये 4-5 ही कॉलेज है जो एक दूसरे के फेस्ट में जाकर सेटिंग करवा कर एक दूसरे की ट्रॉफी लेकर
Trophy
जा
लेते
रहा
हैं,
है.
हाँ.
और अलग से और भी कॉलेजेस हैं जो अंदर ही अंदर खेल रहे हैं
हाँ.
और अंदर ही अंदर सबको जिता रहे हैं. So there's
Yes.
no point going to those
Yeah.
college fests because they are like, oh, this year it's different. This year it's crazy.
It's
this
grand.
year it's beyond your
yeah,
imagination.
yes.
And
Yes,
you go there
yes.
and you already know first, second, third
कौन आने वाला
कौन
है.
आने वाला है.
Exactly.
There is remember last year only I had participated for one of my friends. I was doing him a huge favor. I had to go to Bandra for this event.
Banter.
Bandra. It was a podcast event, by the way. The time limit, guess what?
2 minutes.
3.
Bro.
With 3 people. How is this a podcast?
God.
And he begged me. Like, he didn't I don't want to say he begged me, but he really requested. So I was like, ठीक है, fine, I'll do it. वहाँ पर I did it. And tell me how I didn't place. I didn't place. In a
3 लोगों में भी.
podcast event, I didn't place.
On
it
the
was also-
podcast, 3 log. How did you not place in 3 log?
3 podium, 3 people.
If I told you the other two, then you would understand.
Oh, I got it. Am I thinking about?
No, you're not. Definitely not thinking of them.
Okay, got it.
Definitely not. But
No,
if
I
you're-
think I am.
Bro, what are they watching? I feel bad.
Fuck it, bro. I don't care.
Anyway, so all these colleges think that they're very important, and it's just, in hindsight, hilarious.
Yeah.
It's
Yeah.
very
I think
funny.
there's something to say also about like when you're in it, you feel like you are
The shit.
the shit, you're conquering the world.
Yeah. Top of the world. Like,
And then
quite
I mean, it's
literally.
only people outside that circle who are like, bro, tu
Pagal
chutiya
hai
hai kya? What the fuck
Your
are you
parents.
doing? Like,
Like,
Quite
anyone.
literally,
Like, what are you
quite
doing?
literally, they were seeing me go to college in the morning. Like मैं कभी
I
कभार तो
don't see
जाता
you
था.
going to college in the morning.
Shut up.
and they will like defend themselves like, no, bro, I know what I'm doing.
Yeah,
Yeah,
this is
yeah,
teaching
yeah.
me life skills.
Life
bro.
skills.
This is gonna look
This
good
will
on my
look good on my
resume.
CV.
Bro, I chose a career जिसमें ना मेरी डिग्री काम आई ना वो फेस्ट
Best
काम
काम
आया.
आया. Exactly, same.
Let's talk about the hierarchy and how it's placed.
Oh,
okay?
baby,
Yeah,
let's
yeah.
start.
I love how you will go to a committee meeting and there'll be this one douchebag
Yes.
that thinks उसके हाथ में mic है तो वो कुछ भी बोल
कुछ भी
देगा.
बोल सकता
That douchebag is me.
No, you are not the, you know who I'm talking
You,
about.
yeah, you know, Vidhur.
Are we talking
We just
about?
spoke about
Yeah.
it.
Oh,
Yeah, yeah, you
yes,
know who.
And
Yes,
they'll,
yes,
like,
yes.
They'll be like, yes, I can totally yell at this person, not realizing
Yeah.
कि भाई तू मेरे group assignment में.
Literally, like
तू
you're
कर
gonna
रहा है.
fail.
You're-
You're quite literally.
but
But, yeah.
saying that these people, these students,
Huh.
17
17
year olds
17
having
year olds.
such a power trip.
It's not even
It can't be
17
good.
now. It's 16 to 20 now. It's not even
Really?
17 because like वो college 11th standard के students are also
हाँ
participating.
हाँ, but वो लोग HODs वगैरह नहीं बनते. They
अरे,
like
but,
volunteers and
they
something.
think they are the
They're the
shit.
shit.
They
I
are
agree,
like
I
t-shirts.
agree.
They're
Right,
like,
I agree.
हम volunteers हैं
Bro,
तुम यहाँ
the
से नहीं जा
best,
सकते.
the best representation of that is the security volunteers.
Yeah.
Oh,
I
like
agree.
why do they?
Yeah,
I need a
Sanjana, we
minute.
got
I
it.
need a- it's not even like a one particular college. It's
Every single
across
college.
colleges. They just feel like they are guarding some like
PM.
personality,
Yeah,
bro.
yeah.
Like
Yeah.
Maybe-
with their security chains. They're like, oh no, hut,
हटो guest आ रहे guest आ रहे.
Guest कौन है? नमक शमक. Namaक shamak.
यार, I love him.
can't
यार,
diss
don't
him.
do that.
He's
I
good,
love
man.
him.
And we actually got him. He
Yeah,
was-
yeah,
he was
yeah,
so nice.
exactly.
No,
He's
but like,
good.
see, I get that they're coming, like they're doing the college a favor by like coming
And
and
they
like,
would expect
judging
that.
it. They
Yeah,
would
yeah,
expect
yeah.
it, but like, dude, calm the fuck down.
Yeah, you
Yeah.
can tell us once.
No one is gonna shoot them. No one is gonna like spray paint them.
You just frisked them, na?
Yeah.
Nobody has a gun.
Exactly.
Let's talk about frisking.
Let's talk about why you need to be friends with security people.
No, forget that.
Okay,
What on the
frisking.
hell is happening? I'm not going to
Why am I
America.
being
Why am I
molested?
getting molested? Exactly.
Exactly.
Like
Dude, it's I don't
No,
know how it
but
is for
like-
men. Tell me.
for
tell
men,
us, tell
it's
us.
in the
Yeah,
open. Firstly, though.
Yeah, yeah,
it's
yeah.
in the
Yeah.
open. They
Yeah.
are touching you in and out, anywhere and everywhere,
What
and
was-
you're like
they touch you on your crotch.
everywhere.
What the
Yeah.
fuck?
They are like, oh, you have this, oh, you have that, you have that. I'm like, that's my band. I can't help it. Jockey देखना है तेरे को तो तू देख ले. I mean, what is happening at this point? And they think that पता नहीं कौन आ रहा है उनके कॉलेज में क्या करके चला जाएगा and it's gonna, I don't know.
But it is always, of course, frisking bad. Especially there's one fest that is.
They asked you to jump. No.
Yeah, that one. That, you know.
We
the
know,
fest.
we know, we know.
You
We
the
know.
fest.
Yeah.
We
Bro,
know.
they go like, I shit you not. This is a woman's body. This is the top portion. They went like,
Yeah,
they went karate
for
chop
real.
in there. And you know, it makes you like not want to leave because you know if you have to come back, you'll have to get frisked again.
Again.
You're like, I
Exactly.
don't want to
Yeah.
leave.
मैं नहीं खाऊंगी, मैं सुसु भी नहीं करूंगी, but मैं वापस नहीं कर रही है.
And they have this like I'll tell you like security I don't understand because you have to go there. Okay, right there. You can see the place you want to enter. आप घूम के जाओ.
Yes.
You have to go through the whole college. You have
Yeah,
to
yeah.
enter
I
some
see.
random
हमने
toilet.
actually एक
agree.
सुराग बनाई है.
Yeah, bro, I don't understand.
Crawl through that.
Where's
And you're
the
walking.
sense in it? Where is the sense? And like security पता नहीं किसको secure कर रही है, because I am not feeling secure at all.
Exactly.
Bro, I've been
right?
pushed so many times.
Girl.
Everyone has, I feel.
I think so. At this point, everybody has been
You know-
pushed, touched, and whatnot.
Like speaking about the
Yes.
security department, I remember attending this fest once, and I was in that college for my junior college, okay,
Okay.
and I had come to that college for the fest when I was in degree.
Everybody does.
Yeah,
Does it rhyme with chalar?
you can't say that,
You can
man.
say chalar.
Yeah.
Sure, it rhymes with chalhar.
What? Yeah.
What, yeah. They
Chalar.
won't call us as
Chalar
uh,
still
They won't
sounds
call us
better.
as judges.
They won't
we
call
won't.
us.
We won't get
Hey,
the
what if
chain.
they
Yeah.
don't
Get
call
the
us
chain,
as
yeah.
judges?
It's okay, bro.
They won't molest us by frisking shit.
Yeah, and you
They
will,
don't molest.
you will end up not
Judges.
get.
No, but like I saw someone from the security department who was not even in that college.
it happens.
Oh, yeah.
What is
Bro,
that?
I have seen
Yes.
my college friends wearing other college ka t-shirt and being part of the security team.
Why are you part of the workforce?
No, they just want to chill.
They
They
want
want to
to
enjoy. They
chill.
have contacts. They have
Sure,
friends.
that is fine. See, there are some people who genuinely frisk you and like go like.
Genuinely
So
frisk
we'll,
you.
we'll genuinely
What
give you
do
a
you mean
karate
by-
chop.
Yeah,
And then there are some people who will confiscate it and use it themselves.
Yeah.
That
I
is
mean,
what I was talking about.
we
need
can't
to be
say no to
friends
them.
with-
Yeah.
We can't say no to
We need
that.
to be friends with security people because they have all of the good stuff.
Yes.
Yeah, they do.
They do.
And they
What's
keep
the
it.
stuff, Zia?
No, what, dude, it's like cool
what
stuff.
are you talking
That's
about?
cool.
We're
Nice keychains are
Yeah, with the-
Fidget spinners.
like we are talking
Yeah.
about like I don't know what are you talking about.
I have
Yeah,
Victoria's
yeah.
Secret cup of
Yeah,
things.
yeah,
No,
yes, for sure.
Huh,
yeah.
that, honestly good.
Yeah, yeah,
That is- that's
we have
good stuff.
gotten-
That
we've
is
gotten-
the real
we've
mal.
gotten-
That's the real
That's the
mal.
real mal, and like like security team, I know they are busy running. They will not smell lavender.
Busy running.
Exactly.
No, but
And they will like just run.
Yeah,
We
yeah.
had a mutual friend who was volunteering for the security team, and he showed me a box of something that rhymes with grapes.
okay.
Yes.
It was like a full box.
Yes. That's
Oh,
that's
yeah.
a every fest
That's
ever.
normal, yeah.
Yeah.
But
I mean, I understand if you're searching for that, do it. But don't search my soul. What in the name of Jackie
also,
Chan are
like,
they
it's
doing
not
now?
it's not fair because everyone knows where girls hide it.
Yeah, I
Yeah, true.
understand. But don't karate chop, na.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you can ask me to lift it
Yeah,
up and
yeah,
jump.
yeah.
ठीक है,
The
that's
jump
also-
is still fine, but
Yeah.
not that.
It's just
But
bad.
at least you guys are in a confined space.
Yeah,
and
yeah,
like,
yeah.
True.
we are like,
Yeah,
I'm like,
true.
भाई तुम क्या कर रहे हो?
No, but it's also so hilarious to see these guys on their walkies and being like,
Yeah, no, I'm one of those guys.
I'm
I
one of
can't
those
help it.
people. No,
Yeah.
even I was. Even
Yeah,
I was one
I
of those
love it.
people.
I'm like, hello, come in.
listen,
कोई बात भी
I
नहीं
used
कर
to
रहा है.
I used to shit on these guys when I didn't have a walkie,
fair.
and then when I actually got it, I'm like, bro, this is a pouch.
cool.
I need it.
I've never been without it, so I can't know.
Yeah.
I had one. I never wore it.
Yeah, it's
Yeah,
fine.
so it stays.
You don't
Yeah,
do
yeah.
loud
It
itself. People can hear you left, right.
Yeah,
no,
yeah.
because
This is a compliment,
because
yeah.
no, it's a compliment because like whenever I needed to find Zia, like let's talk about hierarchy so we can put the stories in line. There's this thing called as CP.
CP. That's
CP.
chairperson.
The chairperson, like the in command.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Then there are those VCPs.
VCPs.
Yeah.
There are those
Vice
vice chairpersons.
chairpersons.
Then there are like 3-4 of them because there are like total 20 departments.
Yeah, and then
there are,
Vidur gets lost in them.
Yeah, quite literally. Then there are HODs,
HODs.
head of departments.
Yeah.
Then there are
Co-heads.
co-heads. Yeah, co-heads. I don't know.
Some people call it something else, na? They call it volunteers only.
Kohana.
What was in your fest?
We had like co-heads, volunteers.
Oh, acha, waisa.
okay.
Then
Yeah.
volunteers, and then there are
Chunu
like ex-students helping, which is us.
Wow.
I know. I don't.
Yeah, we have
Oh,
that.
yeah.
That's
I
like a
know.
whole culture in our college.
Bro, this is
whole culture.
too many like levels.
Yeah,
So,
I'm
yeah,
actually
yeah.
going tomorrow to help
Unnecessarily.
my college for this. Like literally
You're
at
actually
this
going?
point. Yeah.
All that long trip you'll take?
No, girl. I have my friend with me, so it's fine.
Oh, I was not called.
Aw.
अगर मैंने अच्छा काम किया होता तो शायद मुझे बुला
Maybe तू
लेते.
किसी अच्छे के साथ होती तो तेरे को बुला लेते.
What does that mean? Oh, okay.
No, but like
Huh.
so Zia was my head of department. Like she was doing anchoring.
He was above me.
Yeah, I was
Yes.
the vice chairperson.
Yeah.
for events.
Yeah, for events, and I had
this
like.
man bullied me. He one day before the Google form was shutting, he was like, "Zia, you've not filled it up. What the fuck?" And I was like, "Whether do you really want me to do this?
Yeah.
I wouldn't. I
Duh.
do not want to do this." And then he's like, "No, you just do it." And then I did it. and then he actually took me in.
Yeah, I did. Obviously, I was supposed
And then
to.
I had a shit team.
That's
and then
on you. honey.
that is on me. I was a horrible. See, I was one of the best hosts
Yeah.
in the college,
I agree.
but I was a bad leader.
No, you were not a bad leader.
Your team was bad.
It was. It depends on the
That's
team.
just a bad leader.
No,
right?
no.
No,
It
no,
depends
no.
on the team as
No.
well. Because when I was a
I have something to say about
because when I was the HOD, I had not an amazing team. I used to glorify them though, not gonna lie,
Obviously.
because it's my team. But I did not have the best set of people. Still, if you can get hold of yourself, then your team will eventually.
But did you know,
But-
guys, one day before the fest started, Vidur tried to fire my entire fucking team.
Yeah, because they did not send me the
And
scripts on
he
time.
only stopped because I started crying.
Yeah. No, that was not me, honey.
That was you.
That was not me.
No, because they were talking in some fucking seminar.
Oh yeah.
And then you fired them knowing what position I was
Fired.
in.
I asked them to leave the committee. Oh, let's.
That's firing.
Yeah. No,
Yeah,
but
that's
this
firing.
But
fired
subtly.
is like firing them is different, and then.
Put it softly.
Okay,
Wait,
fired.
so
Yeah.
you were the HOD as well. What was your...
For which department?
I was for marketing.
Marketing.
that is
Okay,
their
got it.
social media.
No, it's both.
SM and marketing both.
Both.
Okay,
like
okay,
offline
okay.
and online.
You didn't get brands, no?
So that's.
did.
So,
That's like internal marketing and
Yeah.
SM.
Yeah,
Oh,
it's different
yeah,
and
yeah.
slightly different in
So
every
Yeah.
how are you helping in Besharam right now? How's the college fest helping you?
Nowhere.
Tell me that.
Nowhere.
She got a job. Nobody cared about the college fest.
Bro. Yeah, continue. Sorry.
No, so in my second year, I was like a volunteer for this department, and my heads were great. Okay, that time, like I had great heads in my second year.
I am glad you found it so early.
Vidur is still looking.
Still looking for it.
So I had
Enter
a
the
great
teams.
time with my entire. So the heads also were great, and the team also.
I
was
am aware the
really,
heads are great.
Really good. No, in the second year, baby, not the third.
Oh.
Wait,
Okay.
I'm coming to that.
Okay.
So that really pushed me to apply for the heads position in the third year, my final.
Oh,
Because,
so then you were gonna be the head.
yeah, in the third year. So in my
Acha.
second year, I was just a volunteer.
Okay.
I can't take that word straight.
I
yeah,
can't.
it's okay.
I-
Even I can't.
Yeah. Okay.
I'm like
so,
पहले मेरे ऊपर head था अब मैं head हूँ.
So in the third year, I applied for the like heads position, and I got paired up with this co-head of mine,
Okay.
who was great. Okay, the two of
So
us.
great.
Great.
So great.
No, now the heads were great, and our team was like shit.
Yeah.
That
I
happened.
remember
I was
this
like,
girl, she
That's
came
what
to
happened to me.
college exhausted. She literally broke down because
Yeah.
the team was that bad. I'm like,
Oh.
"Let's just fire them.
See, apart
Wow. are we
Fucking
talking
remove
about?
them.
No.
Her-
So
Dude,
Sanjana
her team,
team,
yeah.
she had to meet because she was like, I've had enough.
I
So
couldn't.
we left everything. We went to Sushi's house because
Like
why
always.
not?
Like always.
And
Real
then she just
Besharam.
started.
So
And-
I remember we were at such a point where we were like, bro, we need people because koi nahi aa raha. So we were like, whoever's coming, we'll take them.
Fair enough. That
And,
happened with her also at the end of the
Don't tell her.
No, it happened.
So like people who weren't that great also ended up coming on
Yeah.
board because we needed the extra help.
Fair.
And we reached to a point where we were like, bro, these guys are not helping us, but they're adding to our burden. But then I'm like, I'll actually take all the help I can get right now.
Fair,
And I
fair.
came to Srishti's house and I'm like, bro, nahi ho raha mere se. Like I can't. Like I cannot.
I feel you.
But at least something good came out of it.
yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, I don't know, but okay. Are we talking
Off
about
camera.
what we talk
Yes.
about?
Yes.
Oh, ah. Join the dots.
But yeah, like I think there's something to be said about fest love also.
Yeah.
Fest romance.
Fest
I
romance.
don't
Best
have
romance.
Best romance. Even I agree.
Okay.
There are
Can I
two
just
sides to
can I
this.
paint a picture,
Sure.
please? Can I please paint a picture? Imagine a building where there is 5 colleges worth of teenagers, all fucking horny as fuck. Hormones are all over the
Next
world.
level.
Yeah.
There is
Yes.
people that like the shit that you like. They're all talented and they're all ambitious. They all just have a purpose.
Yeah.
That is so attractive.
Everyone's just working towards that one thing where
Yes.
Yeah.
in different ways. But
Yeah.
everyone
Yeah,
has
fair,
this
fair.
one goal.
Everyone wants that trophy.
Exactly. And then
And-
it's not even like it's just the aura that makes you
Yes.
want attracted to that person.
Like college.
outside the setting, outside the setting, I wouldn't give two shits
So
about you.
I have like
exactly.
some fugly
Exactly.
men. I mean,
Yeah, we know.
you guys know
I'm
some
aware.
fugly men that like in the fest
Yes,
fever. It's just
yes.
like You know what? It's okay.
Yes.
I had a good choice at least.
You
I
were-
was happy.
Wait, who? Yeah?
Huh?
We'll keep this in.
We'll keep this.
Anyway, yeah. So,
But like college fever is fun till the time you are like a participant. Okay.
True.
Yeah, like
Never
when you are
done
in the organizing committee, it's so bad.
I think each components of people like have such different experiences because the
Yeah.
participants will have like completely different experiences.
I agree.
The heads, the
Co-heads.
co-heads,
no,
the
but the
chair
best
people.
fest I've seen is as an audience.
Yeah, even I have.
Of course, now
Nah.
you're out of all the drama because
Yeah. And you can flirt.
That's
No,
true.
I feel like-
and you don't
again-
have to
again.
take care about all those,
Yeah.
security issues
People are
Yeah,
and all
yeah.
that.
serious.
But again, I
Or
feel
the-
like flirting when you're in the
Committee? Yes,
is
I agree.
also-
I agree.
No, I was not-
you
I
have
was not
another
in the
level risk
committee.
when you have those walkie-talkies.
Exactly.
and
Walkie-talkies, the
t-shirts
t-shirt,
and
the
everybody is
IT.
like,
It's very
is he
exciting.
important? Oh wait, I'm on my way to talk to him.
This never happened in our college. It's always happened in outside colleges.
For you, that might be the case, girl. For not for me.
Oh, shit.
I have had my fair share of slide-ins.
Can we get a
Okay.
number?
Yay.
A lot. Because
Allow
like
that.
Is it double
Roundabout.
digits?
more than that. I would
Oh my
say.
Whoa.
god.
No,
Because-
but like
but
those are
I
also-
did not text back most
Yeah,
of
yeah,
them
yeah.
obviously because मैं focusing on my this
Yeah, you're
whole-
9 to 5.
yeah totally
Job.
it's not even 9 to 5
7 to 1 a.m.
yeah
7 a.m. to 1 a.m.
it's like 7-Eleven at this point always open
Brandil.
but so like it's weirdly fun because people would expect you to even remember them.
Yes.
Like,
Yes.
oh, I saw you, I said hi, and
Yeah,
I'm
babe,
like,
I was trying to survive at that
Does
I
time.
it
was
also
crying.
come with like having a following? Do you think it's different?
Yeah. It obviously was. But at the end of the day, you have also had your fair shares of, people coming to you and telling you, oh, you were amazing, you were great.
As
It
a
is-
participant,
Yeah,
yeah.
no, as an
As an
host
anchor.
also you
Yeah,
did.
yeah.
Oh, yeah.
So, like, it happens. Like, you were off the table. Dude.
I was-
Sorry,
I
because
was
you
backhand.
were, you were,
Yeah.
you
Yeah.
were in some
I was everywhere.
room and then you were running around. You
I
had
was
no
everywhere.
time to
So
do
I
it.
feel bad.
Dhritika was in a team which works in the back end.
Yeah.
And I really never understood that because why do you not want to be on stage?
That's
Same.
always, you know me.
I know.
You know
I
me.
know.
That's,
Yeah,
I
you
would-
know
that
her.
was
She
my
has
dream.
20K followers now.
Does not make
and she
sense.
does not want to be in front of people.
But like talking about that, if this one friend of mine did not give me that push to interview for
Yeah.
that one particular
Department.
department, I wouldn't be a hostess.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, was it that friend who was with us in Malhar?
I'm talking about Meher.
Meher.
She was giving an interview for the department that
Okay.
we got selected in
Okay.
eventually, and he's like, "You have to do it with me.
I
It
used
doesn't
to
matter.
Confuse you and Meher a lot.
How? We're always together. I mean,
Yeah.
I agree.
Yes,
We're always
you
together.
guys were always together
Meher wears
because
the hijab.
girl, that doesn't.
She didn't have during Kiran.
Ah, okay.
Oh,
It was after.
It was more of the fact they were together
All the time. Yeah,
so
yeah, yeah.
I was like, Dhritika kaun hai, Meher kaun hai? I just used to be like, Dhritika. Meher.
Whoever turns
Because-
turns.
Yeah. No, that's how college fests work. You have a list of people
Yeah.
you want to
Yeah,
fire.
yeah.
They didn't have walkies.
Yeah.
We did.
You did?
We did. All 3 days.
okay.
We did. We were nice enough.
You
to-
You were nice. Yeah.
Yeah, we were
Yeah.
nice enough.
But like we had to quote it from like 5th floor to ground floor.
Yeah, yeah.
obviously.
But yeah, if she did not do the college fest, she would not have had the courage to do
I-
this today.
I agree.
It
I
does
agree.
open you up. There are like
Definitely.
fair share
Definitely.
of advantages.
That
to
was
it as
right
well.
after COVID, right?
Yeah.
Can I just
in the
point
13th.
out as well the reason why I know Vidur?
Oh
is-
wait, I'll do that.
Okay, fine.
So
fuck
you
it,
know
do it.
how
I did this on stage once and I
Yeah.
almost cried.
Even I almost cried. We have the video of it.
Do we?
Yeah. I have the video.
Oh my god.
But so basically, you know how Farah Khan she found Rakhi Sawant. Zia was my Rakhi Sawant for college fest.
Yes.
I remember there was this fest happening, and we were looking for people who could cook. Okay,
Bake.
and
Okay.
that time it was COVID, like it was almost after COVID, and because people were not around on the campus and
Yeah, yeah,
everything,
yeah. I
it
was the last option.
No, it was tough to find
Yeah,
and know
yeah.
people.
Yeah, yeah,
Like
yeah.
you can't find participants during
they're not
COVID.
there.
Right,
Yeah,
right.
if they're
Yeah,
not
yeah.
there, you don't
Fair.
know. Then I don't know how we got a call.
Sit there.
Siddha, yeah.
Siddhay knew me from JC. He was the only
Ah,
guy
right,
friend I ever
right,
had.
right.
And I was so scared of even talking to him because I was scared of men in general.
Fair enough.
And then
It's
I
fine.
was in this like cake baking phase because it was lockdown and I was baking
She
all
bakes
cakes.
well.
I do. I do. So I sent Siddhay a bunch of pictures and then he sent them across and I got chosen.
Yeah.
It was so weird because I didn't even have admission at that point.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Yes, I remember. She was bro. Yeah. Let's get on that later. For forging, it's fun when it comes to college fest.
Yeah.
But so I remember. So then that cooking event happened, and she was supposed to bake a cake,
Yeah.
right?
I
And
I think I know this.
this
Yeah,
was
and-
it was a shoot.
it was a
Yeah,
shoot.
I
It was
remember.
like
Oh
on
yeah, I
video.
do.
And
Yeah, yeah.
then I was like, we did a shoot, and then you were like, this is not fun. Like we didn't. The
No,
first,
I didn't like it.
You didn't like it. Who didn't like?
No,
I
so
don't know.
I came. So it was the day before my birthday,
Oh yeah.
Oh,
and
yeah.
it was for
yeah,
no
yeah.
15 September.
Yeah.
My mom's birthday. I left her, and I was
Sorry,
like, I'm gonna
auntie.
go and I'm gonna do this. So I came back,
Hmm.
and after cutting my cake, they asked me. My family asked me to show the cake, and my mom literally looked at it. She was like, "Your first cake that you ever made was better than this. What the fuck is this?"
Yes.
And she just told me that while my birthday is starting, and now I'm just
my
like
God.
mad.
Auntie was mad at you, na, because you were not
You
there for her
disappointed,
birthday.
yeah.
So she was like, "Fuck you." She was like, "Fuck you."
Then I went in the morning. I called up one of the friends and I was like, "Listen, I need to come to college." And then she's like, "Yeah, everyone's in college. You can come." I was like, "Listen, we need to reshoot." And she was so supportive.
Yeah, yeah.
We reshot everything. I made the whole cake again, and I finally won 1,000 rupees. That was the
1,000. Oh,
only
1,000?
Yes,
Oh,
that was the
nice.
only time I won cash ever.
In a competition.
Yeah, yeah, ever. This is the
Only
only
reward.
Zia after
Yeah.
only competition.
I spent 3K, but at least I made 1K.
So
Love,
2K
love.
ka loss.
No, 1K ka profit.
We're looking
Because
at
I also found so many friends.
Yeah.
Aw.
I found
So-
Vidur there.
So that's when I was like, she has to be around us and be in the college fest, and she had that personality also.
Definitely,
did,
she
she
did.
did.
I
she
was
did.
pretending at that point.
If
For
I have
sure.
to be-
She was-
you
she-
gave me
she
an ego
faked it.
boost.
She faked
Oh,
it.
If I have
She
to
made
be
it.
honest, I've known her before
Yeah,
college,
yeah.
and I hated Fest Zia.
Yeah, they
I-
hate
I
us, yeah.
hated Fest
I-
Zia. I would hardly talk to her when I was in college during work.
This is my friends to me also.
I
They're
hate
like,
them.
what are you working for? What are you doing?
know-
They're
you
not
know,
paying
it's
you.
not
You
even
know
that.
how I
It's not
said-
even that. It's just her.
No, during college,
During Fest.
I will tell you, there was a time when Zia was like normal. She was like, and then during college fest, Zia's like, hey! Like,
Yeah,
whole
yeah,
thing,
yeah,
I
yeah.
have to, you
Lord.
have
There
to
was like a
put
switch.
on a show.
Yeah, honey, we were
you
not
know-
ready for it.
You know how I mentioned like only people in that circle like understand the hype, and then people
Right.
outside are like, bro, what are you doing?
Yeah,
Kya?
yeah, I agree.
Yeah.
And we, the three of us were like,
And
What are
because
you doing?
because the time you give to that particular fest, people are like, "Tu kya gadha
क्या
majduri
कर रहा
kar
है?
raha hai?"
Exactly.
That's the term my parents used.
Yeah,
गधा
gada,
मजदूरी
because
कर रही
that's
है.
what my parents also said, and I was like, यार college
You don't
experience हो
understand.
रहा था मेरे को, college experience से friends बनेंगे, contacts आगे future में काम आएगा पापा, contacts बनेंगे,
You know-
guests भी बड़े आते, sorry.
but even though we shit on it, like that experience you need to have.
You need
yeah.
to
I
have
agree,
a
I
college
agree.
experience,
That-
or the
I
fest
agree.
that
experience.
Best experience.
Do
develops
it for
you.
1 year in your second year.
Yeah,
Second
Yeah.
year was the
second year.
safest year.
Do it
Yeah.
for
No, I was
1 year
BMM
at least.
student. Didn't matter.
Yeah, I mean, whichever year you choose to do it, but like, I feel like it changes you.
It
Yeah.
does.
I
it does.
agree.
It
Like,
I can
you,
vouch
you've
for
grown
it.
a different way that it wouldn't,
Before
you
that
wouldn't get it
baking
anywhere
thing,
else.
I was a different person. After it happened, and after Vidur asked me to do Vidur, you didn't ask me to interview for the committee. I did it myself.
Oh, acha.
Yes.
I had asked you for what
Initially.
then?
You asked me for HOD.
HOD,
Next
oh,
year.
ha, ha,
You
ha.
asked me. And I got selected into 2 departments. And I had to choose.
Yes.
And I chose anchoring because
Love that.
Tahir was also there.
You know,
Tahir was in that department.
Yeah. The first year when I was interviewing for like people had branded it so well, I was like, मेरे को कहीं
Which
पे भी मिल
department
जाए. I'd applied for everything.
Love.
They branded Kiran well.
Yeah, for us COVID में PPT हुआ था, हमारे lectures के बीच में आए थे.
But I think even during
Wow.
COVID, like anything at that point
Yeah,
would be
bro,
exciting.
because like you
मैं
don't
तो
know
सो रही
people.
थी COVID में lecture के
That's
time
you. No, I was pretty active. Our class also was very active. There were like so many
Yeah.
influencers also in it,
Yeah,
so you
correct.
understand how this was.
Networking चल
Yeah,
रही थी वहाँ.
literally, quite literally. But now it's helping. But the point is, like it was advertised so well that I was like कि मैं कहीं पे भी घुस जाऊँ ना मेरे को मजा आ जाएगा.
Yeah.
I applied for 9 departments. I got in 8 of them.
See, that's what I mean. That's what I mean. If they make it feel like there's this scarcity where there isn't.
Yeah.
No, there was that time. There was.
Achha, so you
remember-
are saying
I can
you were
imagine
fine.
during
yeah,
COVID.
I was good in because I
course
know
you
how
were.
to put a show, as you said. I
Yeah,
know.
we birds of a feather. We
Yeah,
should stick
same.
together.
But so I was like, भाई अब मैं जाऊँ कहाँ? एक एक करके texting the HOD. So I finally chose IPF, which was informal personality
Yes,
and
yes,
fashion.
Okay.
And now my HOD is one of my closest friends, I would say now. So my bond started from there and like college fest. So I think it does change. But again, like for me, when I was in the college fest situation, I was an extrovert and now I'm an introvert.
Oh.
Little bit of that has rubbed off on me as well.
Yeah.
I can't do socializing like I used to.
Yeah, because I'm like बहुत exhaust
Yeah,
हो
that's
गया
the
था
thing.
मैं.
Even if it is like changing you while you're in it or once you're out of it, when like the realization we're
Yeah,
having
yeah,
right now, we're like,
exactly.
bro, what were we doing?
Yeah.
Exactly. Like
It's in some way or
in
the
my,
other.
I was in my first year of fests ever. That was the first time I was socializing with like 100 people together, and that was my department. I had to talk to people.
We got to
would-
talk
I
about
didn't
where
know.
the socializing was actually fucking happening.
Oi, oi.
I want to know.
What were you
Oh yeah, yeah,
saying?
yeah.
I think every college just has this one sutta place
Yes.
Yeah.
that
One-
even the non-smokers go to because
I
you have
used
to be there.
go there so much.
It was like a religion.
One second. Can I just add? There is nothing in a 18-year-old, 17-year-old's life that should compel them to sit on the footpath.
Yeah,
Yet
there's nothing.
They are sitting on the footpath.
Do you remember us doing a meeting on a footpath
Yes.
for 2
Yup,
hours?
yup.
I did a 2-hour meeting
was
with my
very sunny, yeah.
जब
At
210
210
तोड़ दिया था
अरे,
पीछे.
bro, it's
Yeah.
shit.
सब बैठे. अब तो I don't know what's
It's shit.
happening.
बहुत खोल दिया है
Oh,
भाई
yeah.
कोई नहीं जाता.
गरबा कर सकते हैं वहाँ पे इतना खोल दिया.
Oh damn! For real?
Bro, Mama was talking about how it's like so sad that it's all open now. I went a
Yeah.
couple of months
Bro,
ago.
Because
मामा
he
का
was the
दुकान
shady
ऐसे ही बंद हो
dude,
जाता
bro.
है.
But
Like a sutta place has to be like shady and like
Yeah, yeah.
chota,
Yeah,
yeah.
like in a
Chotu,
kopcha.
compact.
And
yeah.
somehow has to fit 500 people also.
Yeah, I don't know
Easily.
how.
More-
I don't know
More
how.
than the fest, the
Do you
footfall is at
remember,
the sutta place.
Like after all the event, all Kiran days,
हाँ.
पूरा committee सबको पता है
पता
कहाँ
कहाँ
मिलना
मिलना
है.
है. हाँ, I
बोलने
agree.
की जरूरत भी नहीं
And
पड़ती.
there were so many people who used to not smoke.
Yeah, not smoke, yeah.
All of
Yeah.
us.
Yeah, all of us.
And we used to literally eat Lays वहाँ पे कोक हो गया.
Yes.
वो
Iced
10
tea.
रुपए के
Iced tea.
मतलब
Smooth.
वो स्मोकर से ज्यादा हमने उनका धंधा क्योंकि वो तो
Exactly.
10-12 रुपए का
हाँ,
खरीद
and we
उनका
used to buy
एक
the
ही है.
20 rupee bottle,
And
10,
हम
20.
पाँच
20,
छः.
30, 40
Crazy
And then
इतना
it looks so
business.
bad after in your
Yeah,
GPay
yeah,
2020. I was having iced tea, promise.
Bro, literally my dad was like ये क्या है? I was like 18 रुपए नहीं है भाई पापा 20 रुपए. I was actually eating.
Chewing gum.
18 रुपए और 2 रुपए का हैप्पी डेंट नहीं ले आए. We actually took an iced tea of 20. Why do I know this? Because of my friends.
2020.
Bro, because she knows I used to only survive on what?
Orange Lays.
Orange Lays.
Orange
Lays.
Only
Like
orange Lays.
Yeah, yeah.
Like Kiran ke like time pe I remember like 1 month before during the time only orange Lays. सुबह orange Lays, शाम orange Lays, रात
I
orange
don't know how
Lays.
he did that. Huh?
Even
I don't know.
I dieted. Dieted
You were a
because I
skinny legend,
died.
figure
में
Bella
आ गया.
Hadid who?
Were you?
I
You
had
lost
a
weight?
weight. I had a like a kamar of 26, bro. I'm not even kidding.
You're
Is-
lying.
I will show you. I'll show you my photo.
Is your
Oh,
waist in the
okay.
room with us?
It's wasted now.
But yeah, the 210 or whatever. What was yours?
Mine was T2.
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 Yeah.
T2.
210 T2.
Name.
Yeah,
T2,
it's
yeah.
very
Cute
cute.
name.
मेरा T2 की स्वीटी का टोटू
सोनू
क्या
की
है?
टट्टी की-
सोनू के T2
Oh
की
my
स्वीटी.
God. It happened again.
सोनू
It
के
happened again.
सोनू के T2 की स्वीटी. Yes. That.
We were talking in the washroom and I told her, bro, last time I wore my sister's top, Ambani happened, the
The
Rolls
Rolls-Royce
Royce thing
thing
happened. Now Sonu ki tatti happened.
It's okay.
Yeah.
You literally shat.
I really shouldn't wear her clothes, huh?
So with college romance and everything, there is college nepotism.
Yeah.
Like
Sure.
there are favorites of favorites of favorites, and then there is this teacher who has her own favorites. Then there are CPs and VCPs who have their own
Their own
favorites.
favorites,
yeah.
Yes.
And there are people with talents over here. who end up reaching a position, but then there are people who are jealous of them, so will try to put them
Put
down.
them down.
Yeah.
I'm
I
watching
bet.
that.
You know who you
I
are.
bet the person who you're talking about is
Is
not
watching.
watching.
No, I want them to watch.
100%.
Now I'll go to them.
I don't know.
I want them to watch.
now
Binge
I know
thinking.
him,
Let's hate on them together.
But I
Yeah,
think, I wonder if he's still with that girl.
I
Oh.
think.
I don't think. I don't
Wait,
think.
there are so many people that have hated on me. I don't even know whom we are talking about.
I know we're talking about.
Okay.
Hated on you. Matlab, I also got hated on a lot. I have a big problem with like pleasing people.
Yeah, that you do.
Obviously. And then like sometimes like people, especially like if I like someone and they don't like me back, it's just like a slap in the face. And from knowing my history, it has never come to
guys.
fruition. This can't be the second episode in a row that I talk about being single. I can't do that.
It's happened. It's
It
fine.
has happened.
It's
but
okay.
I guess that's me now. Anyway, so
but like nepotism in college fest is worse than nepotism in Bollywood. Like
Yes,
trust
I
me.
have to agree.
Fests are worse. Fest is the worst thing ever.
Yeah.
You can't compare it to anything.
After saying so much nice things about romance experience, college fests are the worst. Thing.
Yeah.
first thing.
Yeah.
Suck.
Yeah.
But you know there are like set of
Irredeemable.
people who think that they are great, they can work well, they have worked well, even though they have worked nothing. Like
Yep.
not even peanuts at this point.
agree.
Yeah.
And then with those just stop laughing. I know you relate to it. No, like
Okay.
We
my this-
see your vision.
Yes, yes, yes.
So it just sucks because you know in my college journey, like I have performed well as a co-head, then I performed well as a HOD,
Yeah.
and then I performed. I reached.
performed
You
well.
reached. I performed and I
What
reached.
was the talent that you used to do?
I poetry. I used to write a lot. No,
Ah.
I write, guys. By the way.
Right.
right. But
Reel banana
Ah,
next
real
time.
but but because those people used to be so jealous, they used to find points कि ओ ये टाइम पे नहीं आता तो ये तो क्रेडिबल ही नहीं है I'm like भाई तुमने 3 साल में इतना काम नहीं किया जो मैंने पिछले 2 महीने में किया है
The thing about Vidur was Vidur and one of my other close friends Rukaya were a very close knit team. And ऐसा लगता था कि हमारा डिपार्टमेंट ऐसा फॉल अपार्ट हो जाएगा कभी ना कभी बट वो हुआ ही नहीं
कभी नहीं हुआ।
वो बिल्कुल इट वाज द फर्स्ट टाइम दैट आई माय डिपार्टमेंट वाज एवर हैविंग एन इवेंट एंड इट वेंट आउट लाइक nothing. It went out like butter.
Butter.
Because
Yeah.
I had
But you need to thank Rukaya also for that.
you do need to thank I'm gonna cut this and send it to her because she's probably studying.
Yeah, fair. All the best.
Like, how you had like not the best experience with like people with calling you out for like the minor things that you
Yeah,
used to
yeah.
do.
You should tell them
I think
though.
I had like a very different, on the very opposite side of it because in my last year I was the co-head for marketing, but then I also did participate in like sports.
Oh,
I was,
yeah.
Yeah.
I was a huge sports kid.
You're a
I
sports
was
boy,
the captain of my throwball team.
I used to play throwball.
I love throwball.
Even I've played states throwball.
Oh no, mine was like very very college level.
She
Oh,
played
अच्छा.
BMS level.
Okay, BMS.
No, but we competed with
No,
other
but
colleges
throwball is
also.
fun.
Yeah.
Throwing balls.
So
So I had participated in like throwball and volleyball, in like cricket and football. I did like a bunch of sports and
God knew how to play with the balls.
I was big on ball. But, so people never came up to me and they were like, "Oh, you can't handle being a co-head and you can't do this." Like they actually were very supportive in the sense that, "Oh, you're doing great in both." You know,
Oh,
like
yeah. I like
being
that.
that and managing the
I like
department.
You had support. We had
Yeah.
jealousy.
No, that's
we
what
were
I'm saying.
We were that good at
Exactly.
the work.
Yeah.
Like you got the support because they knew you were good at it.
Yeah.
We
Yeah.
got hate because they knew we
were good
Yeah,
at it.
that's what I'm
Exactly.
saying. Very, very opposite
Yeah, like-
experiences.
And it,
the certain person that you're talking about also had a lot of jealousy of other things in his mind.
No, because I'll tell you why. Because see, like there are some people who do college fest for like 5 years, from 11th, 12th, first, second,
yeah,
third
They
year.
are in it.
I joined first year mein, and I reached a place they were imagining since five years. So that jealousy does tend to
Valid.
enter.
Yeah.
And then ass licking does not work, bro. Like you know where your position was.
My God, you're just shading, huh?
Yeah,
I love
dude,
that.
because
I love that.
This is the trauma that has gotten me. Like it started. I
College
started
fest a trauma, Mala.
yeah, bro, because I started questioning myself. I'm like, am I not good enough for all
Yeah,
this
yeah.
shit? Yeah, because bro,
When you're in it, you kind of start to like question
Yeah, yeah.
yourself
because
and your
I was
abilities.
like, am I? And you know, there was this thing like after first 2 years, third year ke starting mein when I realized that all these things are shit.
Yeah.
And the main thing comes in the end. You know the main thing. I stopped caring about the pity things. Like
Yeah.
when it comes to college events also and everything. Ask her. I used to not show up for most of the things because
Yeah.
firstly I knew how credible my team is. These
Right.
people used to wait for like 10 hours, like 10 hours before
We've
the event
had
to start.
14-hour days also.
Yeah.
No, 10 hours before the event to start actually
Ah,
caring
1
about
week
them.
before Kiran, you're there in college for like 14-15 hours.
Yeah. But I'm saying ki these people used to not work before. They used to work end mein. Like me as a leader, I have realized one thing. For me in my head, it was sorted, and I used to always. I knew कि मेरी team अच्छे से करेगी.
करेगी.
Even if they're fucking, I will fuck with them. But I know that they have the credibility to do
Yeah,
it because that is my team.
Yeah.
And I used to hate those people who
Yeah.
used to be like start questioning my team, my decisions, and I'm like,
Right.
who are you? Which
Exactly.
position are you in?
Yeah.
Nowhere near my level. Why are you here?
Can I
Oh
see
my
you?
God.
I can't see you. Where are
Where
you?
was she? Where was she all these years?
And then they decide to leave the committee for the drama,
Oh,
and then they will enter back with a key. Oh, we want this. Then only we'll enter as if we want it.
Yeah, it was
They like-
certain
they like so
people,
pricey.
like holding this like, oh, you need us,
Yeah.
and you need to give us this position. Only then we'll come.
Yeah,
It's so
And
far.
the fun fact is, you don't even remember when they left because they were never needed.
Like irrelevant people.
Irrelevant.
Imagine how deep in you have to.
Oh, bitch.
Bro, the trauma is
Very
the bandage is ripping out now.
How deep in this shit do you
Yeah.
have to be?
Yeah, it's
How I feel okay. You guys, when we had cut, you said like you were worried for me.
Yeah.
Those are the kind of people that people should actually be worried about. Because once I was dragged out of that shit, you were we didn't look back.
Yeah, we didn't.
We are
We
worried
didn't-
about people like you because we see the potential in you because we know that's not you.
Yeah.
Those people are just like down bad from the start. Like
Yeah.
you can't, there's no saving.
Yeah,
Exactly.
I agree.
And the reason why I said I hated Fessia was because that was not her.
What you say?
because that was not her.
That was literally not you.
Yeah.
You know, I
I
agree.
would not like
Because
her.
second year, I remember second year.
Yeah, yeah.
Give
That was
people
at one
context. Zia was a very, very big fest kid. And
Yeah,
we've
big.
been victims of that. We've witnessed that Zia.
Yeah.
Yes.
I would just come to them and rant them because I thought it was a safe space. Apologies.
No, I'm not even
I think podcast is the
complaining
safe space
about
now.
that. It was just I've seen you in college.
Yeah.
I'm
You see,
I don't like that.
The thing is that a lot of the times in college and like when you're doing this, subconsciously you are networking to get to the bigger and better
Yeah, yeah,
position.
yeah,
Yeah.
And that is probably what you did not like about me.
No.
No.
That's not it. I of course wanted you to be the best at what
Yeah.
you're doing. I wouldn't want to stop
But that side of me, I also don't like. Where I
So shut up.
am trying. When I'm trying, no, I don't like. Otherwise,
But see,
naturally hota hai, mera acha hota hai.
that's the
Because
problem.
it
Everyone
depends on
wants
the
it
people
to.
also.
Yeah,
like, because
correct,
around
correct.
me, at least what I had seen was all natural. Like I've seen her in the worst condition.
Yeah, yeah.
I've seen her in the best
And
condition.
You have
Also,
made me
like,
cry.
Yeah, I've
Sometimes
also made you cry.
the people that you're associated
Traumatic. I've
with,
also given trauma to people. Sorry.
the people that you're associated with, they'll make it very easy for you to climb up the
Yeah.
ladder.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
when you have to try hard, it becomes so visible that the people around you also get affected, which
Fair,
happened to us
fair.
because I don't think you are always surrounded by the best people.
I agree.
Like
I
always.
I agree.
And there were times when you were not surrounded by me. So
Yes.
I agree.
No,
Not you, I'm really
saying
thinking,
that
yeah.
You,
So
you definitely
many.
did
So
have
many.
people.
So many, Zia.
I'm friends with them.
Yeah, sounds like a you problem.
No, this is solely from whatever you used to tell us.
But that,
And from what I've
okay.
seen.
yes.
no, but there's also part ki people do tend to change, have different personalities outside of
I
college
agree.
fest.
Definitely.
Like people that you're friends with now might be different during college fest. So it's
True,
not
true, true.
their whole personality. Like
True,
how
true,
she's
true.
They've
saying.
grown out of it.
Yeah,
valid,
everybody
correct,
has grown
correct.
out of
Yeah,
it.
for sure.
Because like it you understand what kind of shit show that is.
You were
Yeah.
in, exactly.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
that's the thing, right? You need, after a point, you need to step out of that fucking trance and be like, okay, this is not, fest is not the
yeah.
entire
So
thing.
to put in, tie this up with a bow tie, I'll end with a story which has genuinely traumatized the fuck out of me. Now I don't know if this is gonna like make it to the person who it is intended to make it to, but
I
if
think
you
they
are
know it.
watching
They know
this-
it.
Yeah.
If you're watching this, brother, you have traumatized the fuck out of me. Anyway,
Everybody.
so there was this one, the COVID के time पे हमारा फेस्ट हुआ था और कुछ ही लोगों का
Committee.
कमिटी का permission मिला था because of all the restriction and everything, and our principal had come, and
I love our principal, not gonna lie.
she's not a principal anymore, she's
Yeah,
Vice
no,
the
chancellor,
chancellor,
but she was
vice
late.
chancellor.
She was great.
She's
I
beautiful.
love all the principals that I have. been
That's the
through,
thing.
yeah.
I had a conversation with her beforehand, and I thought that she was a slay lady.
She is.
Like I really thought, like I admire her to this day. There's a picture of me with like rollers on, and I just look like her. Some people say,
You do look like
Yeah,
some
yeah,
people
yeah.
say that. Anyway, so she came in, and I thought she was having a friendly conversation with the kids because she was like, "Apne khana khaya kya?"
alert, she wasn't.
Yeah, this I didn't know ना. It was like 2-3 महीने हुए थे मेरे कमिटी में, मैं नई आई हूँ और एक ही हफ्ते से कॉलेज आ रही हूँ. मैं बात करना चालू कर दिया मैम से. मैम को बोला कि
खाना नहीं खा रहा है.
नहीं, I was just trying to be like trying to strike a conversation. I know it's not a
It's
time and
dead
place.
drop silence over there, and it's just Zia and our principal talking.
Yeah.
Wow.
It was just and I
And
was
in an
like,
auditorium
In the
filled with
yeah,
like
yeah.
500 seats, kids sitting there, and Zia and our principal is having a conversation. And funny thing, Zia is sitting on the second row.
I'm sitting.
And I was like, and everybody's looking at me.
Yeah,
And they're
yeah.
like,
I am-
shut her up. I'm like, मैं क्या बोल सकता हूँ?
You remember the top people? मैं उनकी ले रही थी. प्रिंसिपल के साथ.
No, she
The
was
toppest
ले
person.
नहीं रही थी. I feel.
I said कि
वो खाना
मैम
नहीं
ये
खा
लोग
रहे.
हमें नहीं, we get a nice yelling at the end of the day.
Yeah.
That I said, and I said मैम ये blank से पूछो इसने खाना खाया या नहीं.
She's one of my closest friends.
No.
Oh, you were not talking about
I'm
me?
talking about the person who yelled at me.
Oh,
Yeah.
Yeah,
better not
and then
see.
I went
Yeah.
up.
No, you
and then
better see it.
Bro, honestly मुझे लगा भी नहीं मैंने कुछ गलत किया.
नहीं किया था.
मैंने नहीं
नहीं किया था
बैठी हूँ
भाई.
वहाँ पर. फिर वो VCP आया और उसने बोला तुम लोगों को पता है तुम लोगों ने आज क्या किया है. स्टिल मुझे नहीं लग रहा कि मैंने कुछ गलत किया है. अभी तक नहीं लग रहा है. Then he took my name and he had a monster का can in his hand.
And he crushed
Man
it?
crushed it and
What?
threw it.
That man was like वो जो होता है ना वो हिंदी सीरियल्स में ढिढिन
हाँ.
he had that kind of drama in him. हाँ, कभी सर पकड़ेगा, कभी कुछ फेंक देगा, कभी कुछ करेगा. And I used to be like, bro, no, why?
Yuck.
You
I had
know.
not seen
Yuck.
that, but then he threw it and then legit yelled at me for 45 minutes.
Why?
In front
Where
of-
was I?
In front of my
Where
team.
was I?
You were not called. It was just him, his girlfriend.
Oh,
And
I was the HOD that time. You were not under me.
you know.
हाँ, so
This was first
हाँ,
year.
तो फिर I was not called.
Yeah, you were not called. And then they tried to do a very stupid thing where the chairperson came up and they tried to do the good cop, bad cop thing. But it's like, I'm not stupid, yeah.
I hate that.
And to think that after all of that, I went and I cried to him
Yeah.
and I told him that I was sorry. Any sane person after that would have left that fucking
Yeah.
committee. What did I do? Stay for 2
No,
more
but
years.
that is also
That's
the
what
reason.
the fest fever does to you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You want more.
You
Then
feed
you
off of
drug.
that.
Dil mange more.
Dil मांगे more.
It's a
feed
cult,
off of
it's a
that.
drug.
Yeah.
So you know it sucks that you don't even realize the amount of energy you're putting it at that moment.
Yeah.
And when the fest is over, you realize you're exhausted.
You're empty.
I agree.
You
Oh
have
my
nothing.
God, yes.
You can't do anything for next 5 to 10
I
days
agree.
after working so much for
Fest
nothing.
fatigue.
It feels empty.
It feels very
Coming
empty.
to college is like, भाई मैं क्या करूँ college जाके
Literally.
सिर्फ lecture ही है.
And it sucks. And now my story. I'll tell you.
Yes.
So there was this dude who has been working for like 5 years in total. I
Okay.
worked for like 3 years in total.
You need a breather, baby. You
Yeah, bro, it's trauma. So basically, every college has some groups. They have the one group, two group.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Groupism.
Groupism,
Yeah,
literally.
yeah,
My
Yes.
group.
It's all stereotypes also.
Yeah.
It's all
Stereotypes.
stereotypes.
definitely.
There is-
ऐसे
The-
लोग
the
इधर
models,
रहेंगे,
ऐसे लोग उधर,
इधर
हाँ.
होंगे, ऐसे इधर होंगे.
मैं बता इंडी किड्स होते हैं, एक स्मोकर्स होता है, एक म्यूजिक वाले होते
हाँ.
हैं.
Sports kids.
Sports
Sports
kids,
और
drama
ये-
kids, dancers,
yes,
everybody
yes,
has.
yes.
Yeah.
And these bunch of kids that I'm talking about, they were just smoker kids.
They were the smoker
Yeah,
kids.
They were
they
the
were
smoker kids, for sure.
talentless smoker kids.
For sure.
The fact that both of the traumatizers in our stories are friends.
Yeah, they are. I don't think.
Yeah.
So cute. But they were good enough for the fest, but irrespectively, they had nothing else to do. So, as you mentioned that your set of friends also decide your future in the
Definitely.
committee. My set of friends were already very good when it came to working, and they were at a post.
Okay.
Right.
And looking at them, I used to always be like, oh, I need to be as hardworking as them to achieve that position.
Right.
It was never given to me. There's no silver spoon when it comes to all
Yeah,
this.
I agree.
Because sometimes teachers call.
Sometimes it is, but sometimes it's not.
It's
Yeah,
not. And this dude was expecting a position in
Yeah.
the last year.
He was
Yes.
expecting it since he came in the committee.
Yeah.
Yeah,
and Because I was never working for the post.
Yeah.
He was working for the
For
post.
the post, yeah.
So for me, it never mattered. And then this dude had the audacity to put everybody in the committee against me and kick me out of the committee.
Did he do the thing with the phone call?
No,
Well,
he
like,
did it
show
in the
me your call logs.
auditorium.
He kicked you out and all, na? He kicked you out and he kicked all the VCPs.
All the
That's what
VCPs
it is.
out.
Oh, yeah, I know
The
what you're talking about.
audacity he had. No, like the other person kicked me out. He was the friend. Her traumatizer
Yeah.
and my traumatizers were friends.
Friends, yeah.
Yeah.
But her traumatizer, who was my superior,
Yeah.
he decided to kick all of the niche wale people out so that he could do chugli in front of the whole committee
Yeah.
and kick me out of the committee.
So his
Yeah.
whole thing was which one of your VCPs is not taking
Your
calls.
calls.
Yeah.
And I don't have my time to take calls.
I need to come clean with you. I raised my hand.
Yeah, I know. I was very disappointed in you
Bro.
that
Bro,
back
what the
then.
fuck? You were not like,
I-
available.
Yeah, obviously, I'm not. On a Sunday, Saturday, I'm not picking up your calls for nothing.
Honestly,
Fair.
But मैं कभी भी नहीं उठाता.
Netflix should have a show called like College Fest.
Yeah.
Soap opera.
Yeah.
This
Yeah,
is so
literally.
much
Live-
fun.
This is a sitcom.
It's a
This
sitcom.
is a
Definitely.
sitcom
Yeah.
and how.
Bro,
we,
this is
me and Tahir,
entertaining.
Bhindarwala,
Yeah.
we always talk about this. There is seasons.
There
There is new
is
characters.
new characters.
drama.
It's like elite, but more elite.
It's elite.
Yeah.
Elite. We want, it should be called something catchy and nice.
College trauma. मैं तो trauma ही बुलाऊंगा.
No,
Fest shit.
fest something. Fest fever? No.
No.
That's too.
That's like a YouTube video. Fest fever.
Balaji.
Fest fever gone wrong.
but let me continue my story.
Yeah.
So then this man had the audacity to ask people, and my friends
People.
raised their hands because I wasn't available for them. When they are the reason they are in the, I'm the reason they are in the committee.
I didn't want to.
Yeah, but still. And that night I left the committee.
Ooh, this
What?
is
Oh,
so
you don't know this.
interesting.
This is interesting. That night I called my teacher, who was in charge, and I love her. Okay,
She's great.
She's crazy good. I love her. She's a mood. And
Follow her on Instagram.
yes, and I called her. I was crying. I was like, you know what he did? I left the committee. I have left the committee, and I left
I
all the
didn't know
groups.
this.
I have left all the groups.
You were added back.
Yeah, I was added back
Babe.
because they couldn't work without me.
Oh.
So and everybody was like कि वो जो इसका मेरा traumatizer है उसको we will get in place of Vidur.
Yes.
It never worked.
I didn't know this.
Yeah,
I
it,
didn't know
it
this.
never worked. You were the reason I quit. That was the day I quit. You have no idea about
Oh
it.
my god.
But
Oh my
No,
god.
because you didn't know that I raised my hand.
I knew.
Oh,
Because
he told you.
Because no, he did not tell me. My other friends were there in the meeting.
I was
They
pissed
told
off
me.
because remember that
Yeah.
fest
Yeah,
that had
yeah.
happened that rhymes with Chodar.
Her fest.
No, Chodar.
Chodar wala fest.
No, but Chodar happened later.
Chodar happened one day
No,
before.
no.
One day before
Arey,
it
I'm
happened.
telling you, it was
I'm
after
telling
her
you.
fest. I remember when I left.
We never went to her
After
fest.
We did go for a
मैं
fest. We
क्यों
won that year.
मुझे क्यों तोड़ा?
But yeah, so you were the reason I left the committee, and one of the reasons. And that
I'll
night,
take that.
everybody realized that we need him.
Yeah.
Somebody
Because-
important is left.
Yeah, because it wasn't the teacher, because teacher though was not expecting me to leave only.
Yeah.
It was more of the people with me. And when some of the people who were my friends in the committee got to know about it, they were like, we are also leaving. And they were one of the mains.
If I had gotten to know this, I would have also left.
Girl, I left because of you. Why would I tell you I left because of you?
But then, wait, hold on. You didn't know for sure.
I knew for sure because later on I got to know.
Are we beefing?
No, we are not.
Literally Srushti right now.
We are literally beefing, but then that's when I realized my ahmiyat also in the committee. So then that's when I got my ego boost. I was like, fuck you all, you can't do anything about it. And then later on, her traumatizer was kicked out of the committee.
Yeah, he was. It was that was
I
insane.
love
ah.
that. I didn't even
Tessa.
know that person to enjoy that moment, but
Yeah.
I
That
just knew
year-
the
That-
one incident she told me. I was like, "Fuck that."
That
No,
year was
that
filled
year-
with drama.
yeah, dude.
That year and especially New Year's that year was insane for all of. And
Insane.
listen, if you know, you know. I'm not gonna spell it out.
So that night we got a very long message on New Year's, and we got to know that this person quit the other position they were given.
Yes.
And we all were like, bro, what did just happen? We all were happy inside. We were like, chalo gaya.
I agree. I remember the
People
two of us were like,
people were to choose sides.
Yeah. People were to choose sides.
And I called you and I told you I chose you.
Yeah, after pulling me, throwing me under the bus.
I did not know what was going on in the backhand.
Yeah, even I didn't. But yeah, that was one of the most traumatizing things that had happened because like there's so much trauma, drama for no reason,
Yeah.
and people have made it their lives. Like they are like कि यही है सब कुछ वरना कुछ नहीं है. And I'm like,
They make it the entire world.
yeah, I'm like अपने बाप के business पे जाओ यार वापस. Like,
के बाप की नहीं
सबके
आती.
जिनके
सबके पास नहीं होती लक्ष्मण.
they know who I'm talking about. You know.
But yeah, all things said and done, when like you go to these fests and everything, I don't know for what joy. People have taken it so seriously. You can't even reveal your college name.
Yeah.
And it is so.
That's
It
so
feels like
stupid.
it feels as if like
As if you're
they're
a
gonna
secret
like,
mission.
shoot you or something.
Yeah.
Like
College ground,
Yeah, for
what's your name? Some events you can't reveal your name.
yeah, you can't reveal your name.
I used
I
to
was
make it a
from the-
point. I always tell my name to the judges so that I don't get like. बाद में मेरे पे नहीं
I
है.
was
हाँ.
from the department who had to keep all the CCs and the colleges hidden from the
Yeah.
committee.
And you know, it's
I-
so
You
stupid.
know, she didn't tell me.
I
She
didn't
didn't
tell her.
tell me.
Oh, sad.
So
No,
sad.
but it's so funny because you have been participating for 5 years. You have seen each other's faces.
You
have
know.
seen people winning those trophies. You know who is who.
If you know
Exactly.
CC 420 has like one person that you
CC
know.
210.
CC 210, it's too obvious. CC kya? Tweety. What?
T2.
T2.
T20.
Like, T20. You know what those colleges. What's the secrecy behind it? Shh. No.
No,
You
you
can't
can't.
minus,
Negative
minus,
मिलेगा,
minus, negative मिलेगा. What is your college name? And then they will only ask, what is your college name?
I used to always say Rodan.
Yeah. Even I used to give some random names. I used to be like, oh, but they knew me, so I couldn't after a point. But like, it's funny how the college fest that you are participating in, they will keep it a point कि you have to keep your college a secret.
Hidden, yeah.
And then उसके बाद when you are fucking around या फिर तुम मस्ती कर रहे हो, they will be like कौन से college से minus दूंगा, कौन से college से.
Yeah.
And
मैं
they were
क्यों बोलूंगी?
What's the point of
मैं क्यों
it?
बोलूंगी?
What's the point of the secrecy?
I remember in one of the fests in my second year, towards the end, we reached a point where we were like, listen, we have like our people, like Mr. and Miss people, which is what we used to
Go for.
participate in. I liked drama also, but I was dragged into this.
She has a personality.
Yeah,
She does.
She
Fair
won
enough.
also.
I won,
Yeah.
and it was great for me at that
Yeah.
time. Anyway, so we decided that this is like literally the same group of people we're seeing in every event, fest after fest. Might as well acquaint ourselves with each other, and then we just revealed the names, and then that competition went so smoothly. Yes, I did not win,
Yeah.
but I made friends. There are friends like no wait,
No.
We do have friends.
no. I'm thinking, oh my god, wait, no. But some of them I don't talk to anymore.
Oh, I want to know who they are.
Others I still
You know, babe. You
Oh.
know.
You know.
Are you sure you
No,
are
but I
not
said
talking
that's
to
not
them?
what I'm talking about though. That's not what I'm talking about. Fuck it.
No,
Yeah,
I
so
understood.
some
We'll discuss
people-
it later.
Some people still in touch. Some people
Not in touch.
not in touch. But you know,
make a bond.
once you break
Break
that
that ice.
wall
Yeah.
of we don't have to
Rivalry.
keep this big secret.
Yeah.
It's
Then
not
it
a big
beco-
deal.
It is
Exactly.
not. It is
And
not.
You know, the college fests are more fun when you know your competitors are also your friends.
Exactly.
Exactly.
Because, and you know, there is, I don't know what to call it, shapeism, racism, I don't know.
Shapeism तो है भाई
I
तूने
don't, I have
trust me
fought
Vidur
for her
took me
so much.
Vidur has taken me as representation.
Yeah,
This
that is not
asshole.
called shapeism, okay?
That is shapeism only.
No, bro, because I remember there was this time, so I was the head for informal personality and fashion. Okay,
Yeah.
so I used to send people according to what they are.
They
Yeah,
fit
yeah.
which category
And
they
yeah,
fit.
and like I wanted to send her for the longest. Okay.
For a fashion show.
For
Guess
a
why?
fashion show. No.
Guess why?
For Mr. and Miss also, I only got you for
I know,
her
I know,
college
I know.
ka fest.
I know.
So
I know.
I have fought so badly. Why? Oh, because they don't fit a standard. What is
Bro,
the
you know-
standard?
One second, people said that.
Yeah. The friend you talked to that I asked about, why are you talking to them? How are you talking to them now? I was very frank with her. So, like, I was like, what is this agenda of people looking a certain way to?
I know.
Because Mr. and Miss, not gonna lie, it's not about the face, it's not about how
It's
you
about
look.
you.
See, it is always a plus point the way you look, and she looks amazing.
Beautiful.
Like,
It's a personality,
it's a personality
thing at the end of the
yeah.
day.
You know, there was this question in one of the college fests, this alpha omega wala thingy.
So no. So this was a trivia thing, and the host asked So basically, you had to answer, and you had to like trick your other people
Ah,
into
right, I
like
think I know this.
believing you.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
and the question was, what's the last alphabet of the Greek, last letter of the Greek alphabet? And first was alpha. What is the last? And then there was like theta, sigma, whatever, and omega. And I was like, I had to justify my answer. I was like, everyone said some like stupid nerdy shit, and I was like, actually, my answer comes from the Queen, Nicki Minaj herself. It's like bad bleeps. They gotta check in with the Queen, and then everybody sang.
the
Okay?
alpha and
The
omega, and
everything in between. Like the entire room
And
sang.
that is
Wow.
that is when
Yeah.
you
I
know
love
that
that.
person deserves that position because
Exactly.
you are thinking out of the box.
Yeah.
Bro, she won that fest.
I did, yeah.
She won that event,
That
and I
event.
was so
Nice.
happy, so happy. I was like,
Good choice.
No, but that was a clean sweep for our college. That entire
yeah, it
Yeah.
was, and that's like. I don't understand why people think कि ओ ऐसा ही दिखना चाहिए तो ही जा सकता है
Yeah.
मिस्टर एंड मिस में ऐसा ही दिखना चाहिए तो ऐसा हो सकता
But
है
there is this one girl that I know from these groups only who is a bit on the heavier side.
Okay.
She's not from a college that we are usually talking to or whatever, but she has, I've seen her in many events, and it's always that her weight and how she looks will always be a part of her introduction. Be like, bro, people tell me that I can't do this, but I'm here, I'm confident. That's her entire shtick.
personality.
I will admit, I have never mentioned my, like the way I look, my appearance to a judge to get me brownie points.
Right.
Yeah.
Because I just find that so wrong. Because I don't want to judge a skinny person on how they look.
Yeah.
So I don't want to be judged as
So-
who the fuck I am. What matters is what I'm speaking.
And
Na?
how do you
Yeah.
even judge on the basis of how you like? It's very. I
It's a
don't-
little
yeah
concept.
Very, and I used to be so annoyed when people used to be like, नहीं इसको नहीं भेज सकते because of this, इसको नहीं भेज सकते because of this. I was like, I am the head. I know who needs to go where.
Yeah.
How the fuck are you telling me what to do? Then I was so very adamant. The year a lot of drama had happened, I was in part of the committee also, so I had no choice to help
Say.
her or
Yeah, yeah,
say
yeah.
in it. So I was like, "Ki bro, dekh le." But when I was there, I was like, because see, I knew her personality, I knew everything about her. I was
Right.
like, this bitch deserves it.
Exactly,
So-
right?
You gave me my first fashion show, which we came second. Yeah, with you in a video, La La
Oh
Land.
yeah, La La Land.
La La
It
Land.
was very fun, bro. Because at the end of the day, now how you carry yourself matters. What your
Exactly.
personality is matters. It
The
doesn't.
name is enough
Yeah.
to say. Informal's personality.
Informal personality, fashion.
Fashion.
You need to speak well. You need to have a personality. You need to look well. If you have all all of
Yeah.
those, because fashion does not mean you look you have jawline, chisel jawline and whatever.
Yeah, like abs and whatever.
You
Exactly.
don't, they're
Nobody
not looking for fucking Bella Hadid.
Yeah, they are
aren't.
not.
The Bella Hadid already exists.
Exactly.
Okay, you also exist.
They need a Zia.
Bro,
Zia Khalif hai.
actually, my last verse was just my name
Huh.
at
College fest.
the college fest that
I
you
know.
did. It was just my name. It was so weird.
Yeah, it was very weird. I was like,
So-
"Ye
मैं नहीं जीती.
There's this Zia.
No, it's ZIY.
Then I was like, girl, what? We have done brand. Now I'll get to forging.
Yes.
You know, like people think that they are smart enough कि वो आधार कार्ड को forge करके भेज रहे हैं, as if we
अरे
don't
यार.
know you look like 29 years old. Like,
Brother.
grow up.
Yes.
Like people. So
One minute,
basically,
why are 29-year-olds
there is-
coming to
I'll
fest?
explain.
Because
There
they have
is-
talent.
No, 1 second. So there is this concept of only college students can participate and only college students that are studying. So you're
There's only a few events where we have OTSCs called on the
On the
spot.
On the
spot.
spot.
entry.
On the spot
entry.
Yeah.
OT.
जहाँ पर there is usually no
Afford
age
and
limit.
everything.
But other
Yeah.
than that,
Oh.
it's always college students.
Yeah,
Okay,
always you
okay.
can't do that.
No,
So
not
I
like
don't think so.
sometimes like,
OTSC में भी you need a college this, bro. Street dance was something that
Street
was
dance
उसके
में
अलावा
था.
everything was you
मैं
need
वही
to
event
learn.
की बात कर रही हूँ. Street dance में like
so इसमें
Join us soon.
so what happens is sometimes graduates are still tied to the college and they want at the end of the day they want the podium. So
it's
they
also
don't
like
care.
you know
so
how
they'll
colleges
make the
have like postgrad also with them. So they're like postgrad वाले भी चलेंगे. Like that.
वो सब
So
बकचोदी करते हैं वो लोग.
they used to look like 29 years old and they used to
Yes.
try passing them off as like 17, 18. I'm like, whom are you fooling?
Is this a Netflix show
Yeah,
where they're pretending
bro,
to be
I'm
Exactly.
like, what? Why? For what reason? Like, you're 29. Grow up.
It
you have a
shows.
life.
Go to your
you
job.
have a life.
Exactly.
Why are you here for nothing?
Yeah.
You're almost old.
They got sucked in and they stuck there.
Yeah.
They really
There are like
did.
a lot of people like that.
Street dancing I understand because
That
they're
was pure
literal
talent.
underground artists,
Yeah.
groups that
Yeah,
are
talent.
stunning.
And that was like a fucking hit.
No,
and
but
it
I'm
is
not
so
saying.
sad that they come to these college fests solely for the cash prize.
No,
Yeah.
but then I'm not saying that those people who are coming as like 18 years old, they are not talented. They are talented. It's
No, for
just
sure.
the college people at that moment, they have no talent. So they'll find random bunch of people and get them as their talent. And it used to be
Yeah.
so funny and random and they used to expect us to believe it.
But
Like,
yeah.
grow up. Like, वहाँ पे क्यों नहीं तुम चेकिंग कर रहे हो वहाँ करो ना तुम चेकिंग
I don't think that's gonna happen.
yeah but I don't care
So yeah, talking about these fests.
Big fest.
It's one thing to participate, obviously, but it's a completely other. They have a different like nightlife sort of.
yeah
Some of these fests, especially SVKM fest, they have something called a pro night.
Yeah.
That all I didn't see. It's too far for me. Sobo college में एक आध कोई तो आ जाता है, वो हम देख लेते हैं. Especially Malhar has every year has a big artist.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Last year they had AP Dylan.
Dillon.
Why did I say Dylan? AP
Dylan
Dillon.
is Modern Family.
Dylan is Modern Family. AP Dillon and this year they had Yash Raj and
Raj.
Last year it was so ironic. Yash Raj सब कुछ धुंधुला है
Oh,
धुंधुला है.
Yash Raj.
First, second.
बस copyright चार दीवारी वाला. So ironic. Last time AP Dillon आया था, हमने देखा भी नहीं
देखा
था.
भी नहीं.
मैं पिज्जा खा रही हूँ.
We both were gossiping backstage पे. Nobody kicked us out anything. AP Dillon went side से and we were like gossiping literally.
Yeah, we were fine.
अरे आप यहाँ
And he removed his shirt and shit. We missed everything.
He removed his shirt.
Yes, from what I
Wow.
heard from people.
Brother.
VOP.
We were busy eating pizzas and burgers with the tired day we had.
I swear. And then this time, all of my friends were like, let's go to Malhar. I was like, you know, for old time's sakes, let's do it.
You went to
I went outside Malhar.
No, but honestly,
couldn't get in.
getting Coldplay tickets are easier than getting into fucking
yes.
Malhar.
Oh my god.
Coldplay? Yash Raj.
Bhai,
Can you? I mean, I'm not saying Yash Raj. I love Yash Raj more. I know more Yash Raj songs.
Than Coldplay.
yeah, I asked her. She was screaming about the tickets, and I was like, "देखो कोई भी band members का नाम पता है?" So like Chris Brown.
Chris Martin.
She said
She
that.
said Brown.
Yeah, I know she said Brown.
I don't
Sure.
trust you.
Sure.
I
It's
don't
okay.
trust you.
It's okay.
I'm like Chris Brown.
Did you know I just peed? It was all yellow.
It was in your skin and bones. But bro, it's crazy. Like I was sitting with 6 devices.
You're kidding.
Oh.
6 devices. I had 3 iPads, 3 phones, and I was multitasking. I was like, वो Ben 10 के forearms होता है ना. I'm like everywhere.
Yeah, like-
You're like a Hindu god.
Bro, literally, and I still didn't get in. I still didn't get in. I was like,
Stop laughing. Stop
Bro.
laughing at him.
bro, there was this.
Laughing at you.
Bro, my queue started at 5 lakh.
Oh, yeah.
And everybody.
UPSC का रैंक है क्या?
भाई जेई का रैंक भी नहीं होता है लोगों का इतना जितना मेरा क्यू का रैंक था. And everybody is buying 4 tickets.
Yeah,
पहली
yeah.
बात तो.
Yeah,
Firstly-
man. First of all, if you're getting in a chance, book for yourself only.
Exactly.
And if
Walk
your other
out.
friends don't get it, they don't get it.
Yeah.
That's their problem. You go
Exactly.
alone.
Yeah.
exactly.
Watch the fireworks. Be
Exactly.
happy.
It will fix you. Go alone.
There is this Marriott hotel right beside Divai Patil Stadium.
I was
Yes.
booking it today. It is 49,000 a night for those
No,
days.
Maybe you're too late. You're
It's
too
sold
late.
out.
They have sold
It's
out. Sold
every
out
single
months
room.
before. I asked my sister.
Today was available.
I don't know
Okay,
what
fuck it.
you're
Check the
talking
site.
about.
Like,
Yeah,
I'm
yeah,
pretty sure
yeah.
you're being
Yeah.
scammed.
Confirm before you pay.
Bhai, bro,
Maybe somebody
scam-
might have cancelled.
Yeah.
Possible.
49
Dude,
fucking thousand.
scam से याद आया this Viagogo. Before the tickets went live, they were selling the tickets.
Sold out.
Bro, before
Starting किधर हुआ है?
before Coldplay got to know कि 21st को उनका event है एक और Viagogo is selling 21st का event.
One question: does Coldplay know that they're playing on 21st?
I don't.
भाई लोग जाके खड़े हैं येलो हो ही नहीं रहे
Bro, they
सब डाके
they will be like, अच्छा सुनो ना एक कल भी एक कॉन्सर्ट करना है कर दो
परसों
ना.
में last class.
एक class, बस एक छोटा.
इतनी दूर आए हो.
अब लोगों ने
करके
टिकट्स ले लिए हैं कर. Bro, they are selling 2,500 की ticket for 3,85,000.
yes
Honestly, not surprised.
It is the worst sitting ever.
it's the worst I saw this video where like this guy's explaining
Yeah.
यहाँ सीट मत लेना यहाँ
क्या
सीट
सीट?
लेना में पैसे नहीं है भाई
ऐसे छोड़ मिल का रहे हैं
Bro,
ticket
at this
मेरे को
point,
बताओ.
people are willing to go there as water boy also.
Yeah,
water
yeah,
boy,
yeah.
water girl also.
Let's
Oh
do
my
it.
god, yeah, we should be
Bro,
volunteers.
Let's do it. Security, human chain.
Security. क्या क्या अपने फेस्ट में सीखा है
सब
हमने
लोग
कैसे
black
करते हैं
में
ये
आओ.
सब इवेंट सीखा हमने
Bro, fests are important in real life.
yeah cool
They
please,
are.
please sponsor us
I think
Yeah.
fests teach you to be water boy. At the end of the day,
people
Does guest
Training.
relations once.
shit dude can't imagine
like,
bringing
wow.
bottles on the table during a college fest for judges might get you a water by for Coldplay that's
I would take it
that
I
it would be a whole reel पहले मैं judges को पानी
पानी
देता
पिलाता
था
yeah.
अब मैं Coldplay का water boy बन चुका हूँ आपको दिख रहा है and then people will like hashtag college fest
No, certain people when I was a junior and they were seniors, they used to say this, okay, you'll get a lot of opportunities and you'll like.
2 years out of college Zia and still waiting for those opportunities
No, 1 year only
For
for
me too, na?
You're still waiting for those opportunities.
it still has
The opportunities that you had 2 years ago, you don't have anymore.
bro
Are the opportunities in the room with us?
The opportunities and with his waist left. They left together, bro. They eloped.
literally Kareena Kapoor from Jab Bhi Wet मैं तो भाग रही हूँ भाई but it's bad it's
Cray,
sad
cray.
Oh fuck.
this is like a पूरा flashback
yeah it was full
मतलब
Flashback अब भी हुआ है. Coldplay का concert. अब अच्छा.
फेस्ट भाई.
Concert हुआ ही नहीं.
Concert.
It feels like it's already over.
भाई
Exactly. भाई मैं रीलों से ही थक गई हूँ.
seriously वो trying your best but you won't succeed. I'm like I am not succeeding in buying the
मुझे पता ही
ticket.
नहीं था ये Coldplay है.
Oh God.
मुझे लगा वो
And
yellow-
इन लोगों को जाना है टिकट लेने.
नहीं ब्रो मुझे नहीं जाना.
Chris Brown.
Miss Martin Luther King.
Why are our brain cells dead?
We need food,
Bhai,
brother.
bro, literally their names are like Chris, Will, Guy,
Guy?
Phil. Yeah.
Guy Will Chris.
But at least I know the names.
Now I know them. Guy, Will,
I
Chris.
know
There's
you
one
got
more.
two
more.
No, Baba, I knew.
हाँ,
I
3
know
out of 5
everything.
पता है भाई.
1 or 2 more.
Ticket मिल जाएगा.
You
There
know,
are only
we-
4 band members, and one is the manager.
Who cares?
I think.
You know, honestly, before Mariam, my friend,
Oh.
went to watch Coldplay,
You-
I thought it was one person.
Oh. It's
It
yeah, it
cheated.
happens.
It wasn't actually.
Even I thought Char Diwali was one person. I'm not even kidding. Till the time I didn't know his songs.
I am actually astonished.
No, seriously, because like Char Diwali.
What do you think now?
Doesn't sound like a single
What do you
person.
think?
No,
now.
fuck the singing person. It's more about that's not my song because it does flame in my anxiety, like the beats. So I was
okay.
never listening to them.
But what do you think? Is he an artist now?
Yeah. No, but I didn't know that there were like 2 people, na? Char Diwali is 2, na?
You think you've seen them all?
Yeah. That's what
I am confusing.
Char Diwali is one person.
See them all. I'm
Char Diwali
confusing.
एक ही है. That's why I took
No,
that.
both are same genre, na?
Yeah,
That's why I don't
similar.
listen to
Around
it.
about.
Similar.
Bro, because they were telling me that last week we went for an event and Char Diwali was there and I was like, where?
I took a selfie.
I did not
Unless
see
you talk
Char
about the
Diwali.
room walls, that was there.
Yeah.
Yeah, add selfies, please.
Bhai, but crazy. Like,
Crazy.
like after talking this, I think I don't need like 3-4 sessions of therapy.
Therapy.
Yeah, because
It's healing.
all I need is Coldplay ka Fix You.
Actually, at
I've
this
heard of
point,
that song, huh?
I'll just listen to it on Spotify and be like,
Yeah,
same,
bro.
same.
Spotify.
Why?
Also, you
At
have
home.
pirated version, no?
Android users.
Android
hey,
users.
fuck you.
Anyway,
But
that
yes.
was it from our side today.
That was a lot.
That was a lot.
That
was
was
a
it. That was
fucking
it.
it.
Was
Yeah.
it.
So that's it for today, guys. We really hope you enjoyed watching this episode as much as we did filming it.
Yes.
And don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. And if you have any fun or traumatic fest experiences that you
Traumatic,
have,
yes.
Traumatic.
do share it down below. We'd love to read them.
And name
And-
of the college fest.
Yes.
Yes.
Name your college
name your
fest.
college fest. We'd love to know that too.
We'd love to know some scary stories.
Yes.
Scary or scandalous also.
Yeah.
huh?
Yes, yes.
We would love to have Vidar back on the show. Let us know if you
Yeah.
liked
And we'll do a
him.
part 2. You know, there's always more.
Yes,
there's
there's
always
always
more.
no shortage of Besharams in this world.
Yes.
And Vidur is officially one of them.
Yeah.
No,
Sorry,
like,
Shrishti.
He's not replaced Shrishti. Shrishti
He has
will
not,
be back.
Yes.
But,
Srishti just is a little
sorry,
busy this
Srishti.
week.
Yes.
Yep.
Sorry,
But if you're
Shrishti.
listening to this on any audio streaming platforms, don't forget to follow us on there and don't forget to rate us as well. Because that helps us.
Yes.
10 out of 10.
Sub kar lo, sub kar lo.
Sub kar lo yaar. I mean,
Follow kar lo yaar. Bye.
okay, bye-bye.
Bye guys, stay Besharam.